Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix out of memory error in the Chrome browser. And I will just share to you a very simple fix. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type sysdm.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the system properties window, you'll find five tabs: computer name tab, hardware tab, advanced tab, system protection tab, and the remote tab. Click on the third tab, which is the advanced tab. Here you'll find performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click on settings, and the performance options window will appear, and you'll have three tabs here: visual effects, advanced, and the data execution prevention. Click on the advanced. Here you'll find virtual memory. Click on change, and you'll find this button automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Do not check that box. You have to click on the custom size and type here in the initial size 1024 because 1 gigabyte is equal to 1000 MB. So what is minimum allowed is 16 MB, recommended 1875 MB, currently allocated 2944 MB. It is more than what is minimum allowed and it is lesser than what is recommended, which is a very good thing. And you have to click on OK. Click on apply, click on OK, and then click on OK again. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.